First, dozens of Oklahomans sounded off on top issues ranging from health care to the war in Afghanistan in a town hall meeting today in Chickasha. Our Jacqueline Sitt has more from one congressman and the latest going on in Washington.
As a former college instructor, Congressman Tom Cole says he would give the administration a D if he had to grade their progress when it comes to hot topics from war to health care.
You've seen the casualties drop down pretty dramatically.
U.S. Congressman Tom Cole says when the House narrowly passed the landmark health care bill last month, health care reform took a giant step backwards.
I still think what we have is not acceptable in any way, shape, or form, but I do think people participating in the debate is having a big impact on the process.
The congressman believes in tort reform, establishing a national insurance market, and changes that could make health care more affordable.
What we want is more competition, not less, more choice. I don't think we want premiums to become more expensive. We want to make them less. And there's some practical things we could do.
We march our soldiers out in the middle of nowhere.
Another topic in this town hall meeting, the war on terror.
The war on terror. There's about 3 different things working through in relation to that now.
Cole says President Obama's recent decision to deploy 30,000 additional troops to Afghanistan was a tough call, but the right one to make. His concern, an arbitrary timeline.
My major concern has been the idea that we were going to leave on a date certain, July 2011. I think wars don't work that way. I think timelines are nice to have, but war's pretty unpredictable. And I think it sends a message to the enemy that we're only going to fight to this point and come back.
Congressman Cole tells us he believes there is a real drive to get things done in Washington since the Senate was in session last weekend and this weekend. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Jacqueline. Now, if you'd like to weigh in on any of the topics from health care to the war in Afghanistan, just go to news9.com and look for the web version of the story.